हेलो डियर फ्रेंड्स। तो अभी एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सर्कुलर ऑल इंडिया बैंक एम्प्लॉयज, ऑल इंडिया बैंक पेंशन एंड रिटायरीज कॉन्फेडरेशन का वो सर्कुलर दोस्तों आउट हो चुका है। जैसा कि आप स्क्रीन के ऊपर देख सकते हैं, एआईबी पाक लीडर्स का जो मीट अभी विद द आईबीए ऑफिशियल सर्कुलर आउट डेटेड 11th ऑफ अक्टूबर 2022। वो दोस्तों है क्या एग्जैक्टली वी गोना सी दैट। तो दोस्तों प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब कर लेना फॉर द लेटेस्ट बैंकिंग एंड पेंशन अपडेट्स। तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं अक्टूबर 14 का सर्कुलर है। डियर कॉमरेड, सब्जेक्ट ए आई बी पाक लीडर्स मीट ऑफिशियल आईबीए ऑन 11th of October 2022 and discuss issues concerning the interest of the retirees. So we request all concerned to remember the chronology of events. So AIB Park organized a massively attended Dharna at Jantar Mantar, Delhi on 26 September 2022. So the organization had an opportunity to meet the finance minister on 4th of October and discuss relevant issues. And after that, on 11th of October 2022, we had an opportunity on and occasion to meet the officials of IBA to discuss the unresolved issues. तो उसमें क्या क्या इंपॉर्टेंट उनके पॉइंट्स रहे वो अभी हम देखेंगे। सो उसमें द वी हैव अ प्लेजर टू रिपोर्ट हेयर अंडर द गेस्ट ऑफ डिस्कशंस। दो मीटिंग्स थी वो कंटिन्यूड हो रही फॉर नियरली three and a half hours. So IBA was represented by Deputy Chief Executive Shri Gopal Murli Bhagat, and AIB Park was represented by Comrade KB Acharya ji, President AIB Park, and Joint Convener CBPRO. तो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट जो मुद्दा रहा वो रहा पेंशन अपडेशन का। ऑन पेंशन अपडेशन वी डिस्कस्ड एट लेंथ द प्रोविजन ऑफ रेगुलेशन 35 and its consequent amendments in the year 2003 to make the provision and an open-ended one and universal applicability. We refer to various regulations which deal with the formation and adequacy of corps and statutory responsibility of the bank to update pension with each salary revision of serving employees, BEPR 95 being framed on the models of सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट। जैसे सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट में हर सेटलमेंट के साथ ही पेंशन की अपडेशन दोस्तों हो जाती है। तो ऑन दैट लाइंस वी हैव डिस्कस्ड एंड previous correspondence of IBA with the General Secretary of AIBOC, and we emphatically argued that cost should not be cited as a reason to deny legally accrued rights and benefits of pensioners and retirees in a defined benefit pension scheme where pension is held as a deferred wages by honorable courts. Still, we handed over the detailed calculation sheets by the AIB Park, which shows the cost of pension updation by all member banks including SBI, and which is very well manageable. और जो पेंशन अपडेशन की कॉस्ट है वो दोस्तों बहुत मैनेजेबल है। एंड वी पॉइंटेड आउट that the unnaturalness of certain assumptions of the actuaries which had pushed the cost to an astronomical proportion. So we then handed over all the documents on which we relied upon to make our presentation. So दोस्तों हमने यहाँ पे इन लोगों ने पेंशन अपडेशन की जो प्रॉपर कॉस्ट है वो भी सबमिट कर दी है। We did not conceal our dismay and disappointment over the content of affidavit जो भी फाइल करा IBA ने at Supreme Court in the well known MC Singla case. So we appeal for quicker disposal of case issue in view of an advanced age of retirees. Next, we also categorize asserted that what is required to be done by bank is to implement regulation 35(1) which is amended in 2003. जैसा कि आपको पता है 35(1) सेक्शन में इन 2003 में मेकिंग अपडेशन ऑफ पेंशन टू ऑल पेंशनर्स कवर्ड अंडर द डिफाइंड बेनिफिट स्कीम्स विदाउट फर्दर डिले एंड टू इम्प्लीमेंट द सेम एज पर द RBI फॉर्मूला टू ऑल पेंशनर्स अप टू 11th बाई पार्ट सेटलमेंट। नेक्स्ट जो पॉइंट उन्होंने डिस्कस करा दैट वाज अंडर 100% DA न्यूट्रलाइजेशन फॉर प्री नवंबर 2002 रिटायरीज। जैसा कि आपको पता है अभी उनकी जो अभी पेंशन है वो बहुत कम है दोस्तों। सो ऑन 100% DA न्यूट्रलाइजेशन फॉर प्री नवंबर 2002 रिटायरीज we submit the copy of the relevant extract of the bipartite settlement to make home the point that there was no discrimination in between pre and post November 2002 retirees as regard date of implementation. उसके बाद अगर आप देखें any subsequent advice to banks on not being substantiated by settlement has little value in the eye of law notwithstanding Honorable Supreme Court judgment. So we explained the rationale or otherwise of judgment and the need to objectively read the judgment. दोस्तों, we further argued that the recommendation sent by IBA to government has not been turned on, but certain clarification has been sought for. So IBA should reopen the chapter with the clarification and recommendation to junior government. We also brought to the notice of IBA that because of enormous and inhuman delay, nearly 50% of original beneficiaries have left the world and it is high time to act upon. जैसा कि आपको पता है भी 50% से ज़्यादा पेंशनर्स जा चुकी हैं इस दुनिया छोड़ के. नेक्स्ट था ग्रुप मेडिकल स्कीम फॉर रिटायरीज. जैसा कि आपको पता है अभी जो मेडिकल स्कीम है वो 2015 में इंट्रोड्यूस हुई थी. अभी ये एक क्रूअल जोक एंड द बर्डन है जो सारा पेंशन्स के ऊपर डाल दिया है और इसकी अभी जो 72,000 प्रीमियम इस साल हो गया दोस्तों. तो उसके रिगार्डिंग वी हैव डिस्कस्ड एंड बैंक्स ओनली इन केसेस ऑफ सर्विंग एम्प्लॉयज एंड रिटायर्ड एमडी एंड सीडीज. तो नेक्स्ट रहा स्पेशल अलाउंस टू बी रेकॉर्ड फॉर टर्मिनल बेनिफिट्स. एज फॉर स्पेशल अलाउंस not being taken into cognizance for calculation of superannuation benefit, we argued that it was not being paid to specialized persons for doing specialized jobs. It was an allowance of general nature, attracting dearness allowance. So in fact it was camouflaged basic pay which must be taken into consideration for calculation of superannuation benefits. तो स्पेशल अलाउंस को हमें रेकन करना चाहिए फॉर टर्मिनल बेनिफिट्स दोस्तों. नेक्स्ट रहा इंप्रूवमेंट इन एक्स ग्रेशिया पेमेंट टू प्री 1986 रिटायरीज. एज रिगार्ड इंप्रूवमेंट ऑफ फाइनेंशियल एक्स ग्रेशिया टू प्री 1986 retirees and spouses, we argued that it was an inhuman cruelty to a handful of surviving spouses mostly to live a substantial life when some of the banks have unilaterally revised the rate. So there is no point in IBA not coming forward with uniform guidelines to all member banks to make a honorable upward hike of ex gratia. Next pension for all eligible resignees. In respect of allowing an opportunity to the eligible resignees to opt for pension, we argued that apex court has already allowed. apex court ने already बता दिया है अभी जो opportunity है to some of such person while the benefit has not been extended. उन्हें अभी बेनिफिट दोस्तों नहीं दिया है. जैसा कि आपको पता है अभी लेटेस्टली एक हाई कोर्ट ने, गुजरात की हाई कोर्ट ने जो एलिजिबल रिजाइनिस है उनको पेंशन का केस, उनको पेंशन दोस्तों अलॉ कर दिया है. कंसल्टेटिव स्टेटस फॉर पेंशनर्स एंड रिटायरीज ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. So on consultative status of retirees organization, we argued that it is at the instance of the government. IBA asked all member banks to form a grievance redressal machinery at corporate level of each bank. But when it comes to IBA itself, some peculiar logic is advocated, saying that it does not have authority from banks to talk with retirees organization. So this is an analogous situation by itself. So we demand that the ongoing exercise at individual bank corporate level should be done at IBA level, also with the PEX level retirees organization, and negotiation status to retirees organization should be given who form by themselves into separate homogeneous group. उसके बाद जो दोस्तों several other issues not mentioned in details above also came under this discussion and we placed our articulated views on well defined lines. So दोस्तों we are sure that the members by now have been restless to know the response pattern of IBA in regard to submission of our organization on each agenda item. So as a wise and experienced persons, members will surely appreciate the IBA cannot make proclamations of decisive nature on the table of negotiation. So we can tell our expression and expectation. So दोस्तों the long duration of meeting itself suggests that there was a sincere attempt, बहुत अच्छा attempt करा गया, there was a sincere attempt to understand our feelings and we seized the opportunity to the best possible extent for presentation of our viewpoints and argument with unquestionable, undeniable and unflinching documents and papers. So comrade, your organization has created undeniable impressions at all the levels and centers that the retirees are not and cannot be forgotten community and they are asserting through the collective strength to achieve the goal. So दोस्तों देख सकते हैं आप, ये था सर्कुलर जो अभी हाल ही में मीटिंग हुई है AIB पाक की with the IBA executives. So thank you for watching.